My name is Brian Murphy and I live here in St Margaret's. Before the new runway opened, the DA produced a lot of supportive information with regard to noise levels and contour zones around the Dublin airport due to the new runway opening. We are situated outside those noise level zones. However, over the Christmas period, we managed to secure a Ryan NL52 decibel meter. These are things you pick up in the corner shop. These cost thousands of euros to purchase. And we situated it both outside the rear of our home, but also within our home, with all our doors and windows closed. And we're measuring peaks of 85 and plus decibels outside and peaks of 65 decibels within our home. These are noise levels that would force you to stop having conversation. The impact of the noise on us here in our home has been extraordinary. Our ability to use our home as we would have wished, ability to use our kitchen, our gardens out the back, when the planes are overlying is significant. We're not in a position where we can even have parties or people over because, to be honest, the noise level will be far in excess of what people would accept.